In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect monday.com to SharePoint in just 5 minutes. This integration can streamline your workflow by allowing you to automate tasks between these two platforms. So let's dive right in and get started with this simple setup. First, open your web browser and head over to monday.com. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the login button. Click on it to proceed. If it's your first time signing into monday.com, you'll be prompted to log in using either Google credentials or any email that's linked with your Monday account. Follow the instructions provided on screen to sign in successfully. If you've used monday.com before, you'll be directly taken to your Monday workspace once you log in. Now we need to navigate to the marketplace. Do this by clicking the dotted square icon, again located in the upper right corner. It will open up the marketplace where you can find tools and applications designed to enhance your monday.com experience. Here in the marketplace there is a search bar. You need to type Microsoft 365 SharePoint Automate and Embed. This will bring up the app that we are looking to install today. Click on it to proceed. Once the installation page appears, select the workspace you wish the app to be a part of. This action ensures that the app is integrated within the appropriate workspace where you plan to make use of it. Once the app is installed, you'll be redirected to a page that showcases a variety of templates that can be used for both automation and embedding purposes. These templates are designed to help make your workflow as seamless as possible by automating routine tasks between monday.com and SharePoint. Next, you should choose one of these templates that suit your needs. By clicking on a template, you'll be prompted to sign in and connect your Microsoft 365 account to solidify the integration. This step is crucial to verify your access and to ensure a secure connection between both platforms. Once you've signed into your Microsoft 365 account, you now have access to utilize these automation templates right there on your boards in monday.com. This integration is designed to facilitate ease of access between your projects on monday.com and documents in SharePoint, allowing your tasks to flow without interruption and enabling your teams to collaborate more efficiently. And there you have it, you've successfully connected monday.com to SharePoint all in just a few steps. Enjoy the enhanced productivity and seamless integration as you work through your projects. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.